Hello everyone and welcome back to another video. Today we're taking a look at Turtlemint Pro App. Turtlemint Pro is an app for fintech blue solutions for insurance agents or advisors. It helps people to sell various insurance products like motor, health, life, etc. and manages their business of insurance advising. It also includes educational resources like training, webinars, certifications, dashboards and lead management and even commission tracking, etc. Many different insurer partners so you can offer a broad portfolio like health, life or motor. Learning and training resources, wide academy, masterclass webinars help agents improve product knowledge and selling skills. Also, there is agent and advisor tools like lead management and ability to issue quotes or policies and track commissions, relatively intuitive UI for people in that field. Many users says it's fairly easy to start using, especially if you're new to insurance sales. But it has slow load times, especially in the training video sector or loading insurance options. There are also frequent bugs or malfunctions like it will not open properly or there are several issues. Complaints that queries are not being resolved or responses are slow or unclear, and many parts are mainly in Hindi or English, so for people more comfortable in other Indian or regional languages or pure English, this can be a barrier, and users say it's not always clear how commissions are calculated or when payments arrive. So, if you're an insurance agent, especially in India, Turtlemint Pro is a solid choice to manage and scale your business. It gives good tools and product variety. The training or academy feature adds real value and is especially helpful for newcomers who need guidance and platform. But if you rely heavily on speed, stability or need very clear commission terms or multi-language support, you might face frustrations. And that's it guys, I hope you enjoyed it, thank you for watching, and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more.